how cute this is. It's right outside of our door at the hotel. It's adorable. So we left the hotel early because the breakfast sucked. We popped into a cafe that said, what have a cow, there were vegan pastries. There were like tiny biscuits you could put in your coffee. That doesn't count to me. And nothing else was labeled well. So I wasn't waiting 20 minutes because service in Italy is slow. It is what it is. They're moving at their own pace, but I wasn't waiting. So we've got some time to kill before our tour. And we're at this, I forget what this square is called, but it's the one with the cats. Austin tells me this is the assassination location of Julius Caesar. I have found exactly one cat. You can't even see him. He went behind that pile of crap.
I wonder what it costs to go in there. We could do that tomorrow if it's something we want to do.
I don't know that it's something I need to do. I just kind of wanted to see the cats.
You can't see everything from up here.
But I'm guessing the cats are all sleeping because it's so early. It is cool though. I remember this from the first time I came here. There were a lot of cats then.
How that, like, what is it? We're essentially going to completely wrap around this and go down to it.
Okay, I've eaten. We're passing the, what is it called? The Hall of something?
Something of the fatherland.
Something of the fatherland. Watch out. The altar of the fatherland. It's very cool. They're doing archaeological digging here, which is also cool. And we are en route to our tour meetup. I have to pee. We're going to have to figure that out. Maybe I can pee in the Coliseum.
Well, it's like part of everything. It's all
this
whole area. I don't know what kind of like this is the Foro di Caesar, whatever that means.
Cool. We took a little stop since we're so close to where we need to meet up. I do need to pee though. This whole square or little area is really cool.
It is a big where 300 or some are saying 600 senators are met every day. 1st century BC. In the Roman Forum there were many triumphal arches. So have a look at the beautiful white triumphal arch of the Emperor Lucius Septimius Severo, 3rd century AD.
Everyone leaves their earbuds here on the fence. It's very cute.
An altar, and on this altar, like this, it was a circular, so inside there was an altar, and on the altar there was the fire of Rome, a symbol of Rome, a fire that was kept burning 24 hours a day. And this was the level of this area at that time. Look at the basement of the arch, it's right there. At the beginning, this was the Basilica of Maxence, and then he was defeated on the battle on Milvius Bridge by Constantine, so it became the Basilica of Constantine. So at the beginning, the entrance was here. You see the 4 red porphyry columns. Who has been ready to Vatican? Do you remember? Have you been in the round room where there was the big red porphyry like bathtub? It's in porphyry marble, the same marble that's here. This marble comes from Egypt. Imagine from Northern Africa. So imagine through the Nile. Titus in the year 71. He went to Jerusalem and he conquered the city of Jerusalem. Actually, he destroyed the temples, the Temple of Solomon. flying on an eagle because the eagle was the symbol of Jupiter. Eagle carried Jupiter's bolts. And so, I mean, he's flying on an eagle because the eagle was the symbol of God. And actually, emperors were deified. Huh? Because the house of the emperor was there. And his last wife had already... means hey Caesar. Those about to die, sorry, I'm on the teeth. And then you had his wives over there, so you know you have to pray. And they would have appeared later on the arena floor for the gladiators show at about 3-4 p.m. So now, I know you can't wait, huh?
We're on the Coliseum floor. Obviously reconstructed. This place is huge. It's like the reconstruction of how they trapdoor the animals up. These were deep. We're up on the second floor, walking around the whole thing. We're gonna go check out the gift shop. Bought this magnet. I have to get on these steep stairs. So we took a cab to a very quick lunch at a vegan cheese shop. And that was just a couple blocks from the Borghese Museum, which we are almost in front of. But we've got time to kill because our tour isn't until 3. So we're gonna walk around the park. We're just kind of sitting around at what is apparently the horse green for polo or whatever. Just relaxing a little.
The polos.
And from here we can see the soul of the secret today about the original the cardinal
Our tour of the Borghese is over. We are just waiting for our cab now. We should be here in a few minutes. We're gonna go back to the hotel and rest a little because my feet hurt. And I definitely need to freshen up some because it's been hot parts of today, pretty hot. And then we've got our fancy multi-course dinner tonight. I don't know what is being celebrated on this random Thursday, but it's so cute. We get to watch fireworks at our fancy rooftop dinner. Look at how sweet. This is where we're, oh, that is zoomed in. This is where we're having dinner tonight. I have a new problem in my life because I'm now officially in love with this glass, this cunty ass glass. Now I want them. Hey, let's talk dinner while my face mask dries, which it's almost there. I think that dinner was overpriced and not very good. That restaurant, Mater Terre or Mater Terry, I don't know how to say it, had so many amazing reviews on Happy Cow, and I don't think it was that good. The first item we got was like a pizza, but made with cheese in between 2 dough slices, and it was good. Don't get me wrong, it was good, but it was pizza. I had to change camera batteries. So anyway, I was saying, like, the pizza was good, but it was like, it was pizza. It shouldn't have been like as crazy priced as it was, and at this fancy ass restaurant. The second course was like potato carpaccio, and it had an almond cheese in the middle, and that one was really good, I think. What do you think?
I thought it all was pretty good, but not worth the amount of money it costs. If it was about half the price, I would have been satisfied.
Austin had, can you tell me about your meal you had?
It was just stuffed pepper, but I forgot what was in it.
It looked really good, and it had like some sort of like foam, like a soy foam. He was really satisfied with that. My entree I didn't like at all. It was like artichoke, and like, I love artichoke. I should have loved this. But something on that plate had like mint or something, and it was too strong. It was weird. It was not satisfying at all. I wouldn't go back there. I don't know.
Well,
Maybe I picked the wrong things. Well, yeah, it's not like I'm flying back to Rome anytime
I don't
soon.
think you're gonna go back there even if you did like it.
But I just didn't think it was very good. The ambiance was great. The rooftop was amazing. Like, all of that was, oh, sorry, A+ on the ambiance. My complaint about service is my general complaint for all of Italy, is that it's slow, super slow, and you have to like flag someone down to try and pay. They're like holding you hostage. I get that it's like so that you're having a nice meal and you're present and just enjoying yourself, but also I'd like to leave. Just cultural differences. I wouldn't negatively review a restaurant just for cultural differences at all, but I didn't care for the food, and there were so many amazing reviews on Happy Cow, and I just thought it was okay. I didn't like my entree at all. And then by the time we got to the end, I was stuffed anyway and couldn't get a dessert, but the desserts actually sounded really good. I had a feeling those desserts were really good. No room. I'm stuffed. I gotta take this mask off my face.